We've all had a train spotting. Let's go plane spotting. Vamos. There's nothing quite like seeing the planes coming to land, is there? But there's a way to get closer to the action. So if you come out of PDC on the bike track along the strip, bike, e-bike, e-scooter, whatever, you can hire them all along there, or you can walk it. Once you pass the end of the strip, just keep on going, heading for Matagorda next, and it's as though you're going to play a Honda really. You just keep on the bike track, you're fine. It's about 6 kilometres from Old Town PDC along to the Beatrix Player, I think is the last hotel here, and then you're there. 15 minutes on a bike, easy peasy, all on the bike track. I hope you make it along to the airport when you visit PDC, see a few planes. It's good fun seeing them all take off and land, and next you might want to watch this video, your transport options once you've landed in Lanzarote. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one, ciao for now.